Hello and welcome to Venslov Academy. In this lecture we'll be looking at how we can resolve IP addresses, get their country, city and organization such that we can track where a given connection is coming from. So when you start a given capture in Wireshark as we have seen in the previous parts, what you will see in the source and the destination is the IP coming from the connection, so from the source to the destination. But we can actually resolve these pretty easily using a simple setting in Wireshark. So what you have to do is go into Edit, Preferences, Name Resolution, and then just check this Resolve Network IP Addresses. Once you check this, you will see, if we go down here, that some of these are actually being translated into their names. So if you, for example, go into Google and you have a capture of packages running, you will be able to easily locate and see that this is an actual connection with Google instead of having to remember these IPs or look them up manually. But in order for us to get the country and cities of the IP so that we can have the geolocations, we will have to download some external packages from the internet. So what I will have you to do is to go to the MaxMind website. On this page you will be able to create a free account which will give you access to some of their databases of geolocation data. So once you have created an account, I have already done this, you will see this page right here where you have these tabs in the left side. So what you have to do is go to download files, and then you will be needing this Geolite ASN and this Geolite 2 city, and you can download the type that is most beneficial for you. The most important part is that you get this MMDB file type, because that will be easily translated by Wireshark. So once you have downloaded these, what you have to do is to extract them if you, for example, got them zipped, and then you go back into Wireshark, then you go into Edit, then you go into Preferences where we was before when we did the Resolve IP addresses, then again under Name Resolution you will go into MaxMint Database Directories, and once you click Edit here, you can, as you see, I have already added the path to the files that I downloaded, but what you need to do is click on this plus right here and then simply locate the given download folder that you have and then navigate to the root folder of this file. So you don't have to point to the explicit MMDB file, but just the folder where it lies within. So once you have added the path to both the ASN and the city, you will click OK. I have already added mine, so I just click cancel, but you need to click OK, and then you need to restart Wireshark. Once you then have restarted and made a new capture, I will just start one right now, and my path has, as you saw, been added. You can go into statistics, and under endpoints you will see that the different IPs that is being captured right here by Wireshark is being translated if there is a valid country, city and AS organization attached within that MaxMind database. So this is a quick way for you to do some location lookups and resolve the IP addresses from within Wireshark instead of having to use external websites and manually look up each IP. But Wireshark have these tools implemented such that it can be done automatically. If you, however, get problem while trying to add these MaxMind databases, it might be because your particular version of Wireshark does not support the resolver of these database files. In order to check this, you can go to Help and then About Wireshark, and then you need to look at this particular column right here, and then you need to ensure that this MaxMind DB resolver is actually present. If it is not present, then you might need to update your version to a newer version of Wireshark so that this is actually part of the current installation that you have, and that will probably solve the problems that you will have if you face such.